Top 5 cryptocurrencies. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Market cap, $350 billion or more. Bitcoin, BTC, is the first cryptocurrency, having been developed in 2009 by a person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. BTC operates on a blockchain, which is a ledger that records transactions and is shared across a network of thousands of computers, like the majority other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is maintained secure and protected from fraudsters because updates to the distributed ledgers have to be validated by cracking a cryptographic puzzle, a procedure known as proof of work. 2. Ethereum, ETH. Over $170 billion is the market cap. Because of its possible applications, including so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when certain conditions are met and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Ethereum is both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform. 3. Tether, USDT. Capitalization, over $66 billion. Tether is a stablecoin, which means it is backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro and theoretically maintains a value equal to one of those denominations, in contrast to some other types of cryptocurrencies. As a result, investors who are cautious of the severe volatility of other coins choose Tether because its value is theoretically expected to be more stable than that of other cryptocurrencies. 4. Binance Coin, BNB. Capitalization, above $45 billion. You can trade and pay fees on Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, using the Binance Coin cryptocurrency. XRP. Market cap, greater than $18 billion. XRP is a cryptocurrency that may be used on that network to facilitate trades of many currency types, including fiat currencies and other significant cryptocurrencies. It was developed by some of the same founders as Ripple, a digital technology and payment processing company. If you are interested to change your life and start investing, just click the link below the video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.